Daddy.
Yeah, buddy?
What are these?
Oh, those are, this is a box that came the other day.
Mm.
Come on, go look for eggs. Where are they?
Do you think the Easter Bunny came?
Yeah.
Go look.
Oh my goodness!
Oh my goodness. Look at that.
Yeah.
Wow.
Sure, what's that, buddy?
What's in there?
I don't know.
Hey, precious.
Wait till you see these.
Peeps!
That looks like a game we can play.
Yeah.
Shoots
That's
and
it.
ladders?
Wow.
Wow, that's it. Now go find, no, that's it.
Use that basket,
Alright, use
buddy.
that basket then. Go find all the eggs.
No, I'm not to use my own bag.
Okay.
This one. I'm not going to use this. I found one.
Yes, you did.
I found another one.
Yeah.
I think they're hidden pretty well, buddy.
Yeah.
You gotta look around.
Wait till you see this one.
Oh,
Oh my goodness.
look at that one.
Oh my goodness. I wonder where he gets that from. Oh my
Now
goodness.
I'm on the floor. I hear something in it. That's mine. That's yours by you.
Yeah. What is it?
I don't know. I think I was open when they find all the Easter eggs.
Okay.